Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of a Chinese electric bike which I bought from Amazon. It was a low price, it was 849 euros. The brand is called Eleglide, it's model M2, and according to its description it's got everything: 24 gears, hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension with lockout, and a powerful battery, well, more powerful than the other ones. This is 15 amperes, which is supposed to last up to 120 kilometers of assistance. The cheaper ones had around 10 ampere battery. So let's unbox it, and this will give you an idea how much assembly you're going to have to do and if you require any technical knowledge. First of all, it got transported like this vertically, which I find very odd, by DPD, the logistics guys, and the guy took it out of the van like this and then slid it down my driveway vertically. I was a bit disappointed. I was hoping it would be, you know, transported horizontally because it's a bike. Okay, now I'm going to do this quite quickly because I'm in a rush. I need to go out tonight. So it's pretty well boxed up. Whoa. It weighs about 25 kilograms. Often the handlebars are stuck out or a weird angle, but everything is in the box here. Opened pretty easy. They've done it like that. Okay, definitely some assembly required. The thing is, you have to keep the box, you have to keep everything in quite good condition in case you need to return it, in case it's not working. How do you get this out? But also, because I need the bike straight away, because my other one's broken, which I'm going to do another video about, thanks Decathlon for nothing. I need to see which accessories I need to buy at the shop tomorrow to use the bike. See, what's really weird is they've strapped everything together with plastic ties. I want to be careful. The tyres are totally inflated, which is weird. You think they'd keep the tyres deflated because most people have a pump, but so there's loads of polystyrene in here everywhere. Okay, I found so I've got the seat post. What was in here, just so I know? Is it the battery? No. So I really want you to do an assembly. These are all the lights. Lights and pedals. Grips for the handlebars. They give the tools and the instructions, which is nice. So they explain how to do everything, but more than I expected. Reflectors, light holders. Okay. What's next? Is this the battery then? Let's have a look. No, it's the charger. So we've got the charger with the cables. It's a small one. Smaller than the Decathlon ones. It's more compact. Okay. What's next? Polystyrene. I think you should actually have someone to help you with this because it's going to be a bit heavy. You see how everything's got plastic ties. I don't know why they had to do that. Oh. Look at that. Another plastic tie. Another plastic tie. The problem with plastic ties is when you cut them off, you can scratch the paintwork. Right, wheel number 1 with disc brake. I think we're finally there. Oh. Where's the handlebars? The box is empty. Where's the handle? Oh, hanging off with a plastic tie again. Okay, here's the handlebars. Okay, this is a much more of an assembly job than I was expecting. I thought it would just be maybe the pedals and tightening the handlebars because they'd be flat, and you just use an Allen key to put them horizontal. But this is a much bigger assembly job. I won't make a whole video of me assembling it because it's going to be too long. Yeah. All right. Well, that's what you get when you buy a Chinese bike from Amazon. This is going to be about half an hour, 45 minutes, possibly up to an hour of assembly time, and I need to get all my tools ready and I need to make more of a space. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to do another video reviewing the bike once I've got it assembled and I've tried it out for a week or two. I'll let you know how I get on. I hope that's useful. Any comments, questions, stick them below. Thanks.